They look like camels when they fight. Nipples.
Please butt heads, that would be amazing. Butt heads with no antlers.
I don't like you. You guys are way over there about that other one.
Outcast. That other one laying down is like he's going around or something.
You want to see Katie with the doctor? I'm videoing.
You're videoing.
Taping.
You're taking and playing out.
Yeah. Now I'm happy. If there's only one animal, I'm going to well, two, but one that I was
What
hoping to
haven't
see.
you seen?
A moose.
You're not going to see a moose.
And a wolf. That's good. I wasn't expecting to see a wolf.
Yeah, you're probably more likely to see a moose than a wolf. Those guys aren't so cool.
Okay, Kate, don't let me.
You haven't seen a black bear. You like that?